Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tasty Healthy Kitchen. How are you doing? So today we are going to make some healthy oats porridge or khichdi. So let's go to my kitchen garden to get some healthy fresh vegetables. So here we go. So we have some fresh baby broccoli. So I'm going to cut some leaves and some broccoli on the top. That's the baby. I am holding the camera in one hand and cutting the leaves with the other hand, so it's getting a little bit tough. Here I am taking the zucchini out. This year we didn't got good yield of zucchinis. Yeah, so I'm missing them. Some green peppers. These are not chilies but like peppers, so they are not that much spicy. Let's take this spring of curry leaves. Let's wash these vegetables and make some healthy oats khichdi. It's chopping time now. I took some other vegetables as well, like peas, broccoli, some potato. Let's start cooking. So today we are going to make the khichdi or the porridge in an instant pot. Instant pot is really very convenient to use and you don't have to look after the things while it's doing its job. So let's add some ghee and add a little bit of hing powder, estafetida. And I have put the instant pot on the saute mode on the high power. I added some green chilies, some jeera, cumin seeds, add the curry leaves and the rest vegetables which you have cut. You can add it now and saute them well. Look at that green color. Do you need any more of the greens? No. Let's add the spices now. So I am adding salt to taste, some coriander powder, some pomegranate powder. You can use the amchur powder or the mango powder, some turmeric powder, mix it well. And now here I'm adding 1 cup of steel cut oats. So be sure this khichdi is especially for steel cut oats because it takes longer time. So I'll be cooking it for 20 minutes on the porridge mode. If you take the other kind, which is not steel cut oats or it's like quick oats, then it won't turn out good. And these are really healthy oats. These are less processed. So I added 1.5 cup of steel cut oats, and now I am adding 2 cups of water, and then 3 cup, and then 3.5 cup. But you should put around 4 cups of water. For 1.5, it's like 4.5 is good to add. Now I'm cancelling the saute mode and putting on the porridge mode. And here I'm making the bottle gourd, that's Lauki raita. So what I've done is I've grated the bottle gourd and then boiling in little amount of water. So here I'm making the raita. I added the grated bottle gourd with the curd, and now adding the salt and cumin powder. The oats khichdi is ready. If it looks a bit thick to you, you can add some boiling water to it and serve it with your favorite chutney, your raita, or whatever you may like. This is a great nutritious dish to add to your menu. I usually make it once a week for sure. So if you like my recipe, please like it. Feel free to share, to comment, and to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.